Developed by like-minded users and trusted by professional photographers, PaintShop Pro 2020 delivers a powerful, all-in-one photo editing and graphic design experience you'll be proud to call your own. Turning your vision into reality has never been easier with the progressive and innovative technology engineered into PaintShop Pro. High-powered functions and tools make creating something truly original achievable. Experience clone technology at its finest. The all-new content-aware SmartClone feature allows you to easily merge elements from multiple images and seamlessly integrate them into one. The results can produce interesting and unexpected designs, as well as composition projects guaranteed to elevate your artwork. And the selection tool just got much stronger. An all-new Refine brush has been added to your selection toolset to enable you to select an object with extreme precision and accuracy, down to a single strand of hair. You'll have to see it to believe it. Put your favorite tools to the test and experience remarkably accelerated tools and power designed to enhance your workflow and efficiency. We've refined the overall photo editing experience so you can spend more time doing what you love. One of your favorite tools in PaintShop Pro, the Text tool, just got an overhaul. It has undergone impressive enhancements to both speed and responsiveness and delivers noticeable improvements in rendering, inputting, editing, and text wrap. Just like every photo is unique, so are you, and so is the way you like to work. Take your pick of 3 different adaptable and intuitive workspaces to complement your project workflow. Each workspace was built with a custom toolset and features in order to simplify everything from quick edits to complex compositions. PaintShop Pro also offers new brushes, color palettes, gradients, patterns, and picture tubes. Download the new patterns and picture tubes from the Welcome tab, and find the rest of the new content already built into PaintShop Pro. To see all of the new creative content added to PaintShop Pro 2020, be sure to check out the Creative Content Guide. There are many other performance-related enhancements to PaintShop Pro 2020 that make it quicker and more robust than ever, like the new Layers capability, which allows you to replicate style settings from one layer to another with one simple click, improved depth of field precision with enhanced 4K support, latest stylus and graphics tablet support, including support for Windows Ink, support for new RAW camera formats, and tons of other improvements based on direct feedback from users. This is the PaintShop Pro you'll be proud to call your own. Make sure to try it out.